Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Flutter, Google's UI toolkit for building natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of installing Flutter on your machine. So, let's get started. Step 1. Downloading Flutter. Head over to the official Flutter website at flutter.dev. Click on the Get Started button and you'll find detailed instructions for different operating systems. We'll be covering the process for Windows operating system. Step 2. Extracting the zip file. After downloading the Flutter SDK, locate the zip file and extract its contents to a location of your choice. This will be your Flutter installation directory. Step 3. Adding Flutter to path. To use Flutter commands globally, we need to add Flutter to our system's path. This is usually done by modifying the system environment variables. I'll demonstrate how to do this on Windows operating system. Step 4. Verifying the installation. To ensure that Flutter is installed correctly, open a new terminal or command prompt and run the command flutter doctor. This command checks your environment and displays a report of any issues that need to be addressed. We'll walk through the output together and resolve any issues that arise. Step 5. Installing Flutter plugins for VS Code Editor. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Flutter on your machine. Now you're ready to start building cross-platform apps with ease. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Flutter tutorials, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. Happy coding!